This episode follows the Carnival of Santa Cruz de Tenerife as colors flood the Canary Islands with music and community. We trace its roots from colonial history to modern parades where extravagant costumes become a living archive. Artisans sculpt feathered masks, dancers rehearse batucada rhythms, and families pass rituals that mark the year's turning point. The celebrations blend Catholic and local traditions, yet remain a fearless expression of resilience amid storms and sunsets. By spotlighting this festival, viewers glimpse a civic ritual that unites strangers through shared joy and memory.